Guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, I will show you how to change currency on OKX. To change the currency, first of all, you need to open the OKX application in your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will land on the home page of OKX like this. Now you can see the 9 dots icon on the top left corner of your home page. Tap on this icon. Now here you can see your nickname on the top. Tap on your nickname. Once you tap on it, you will be provided with several options here like profiles, security, preferences and notifications. To change the currency, you need to tap on preferences option. Now under preferences, you need to tap on the second option currency here and you will be provided with various options of currencies. So tap on the one that you want to change your currency to. Once you tap on it, you will be back to the previous page and right next to the currency option, you can see that it has changed. So this is how you can change your currency on OKX. I hope you guys like this video. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.